Welcome to Becoming the Sun with Jowita. It is another beautiful day on earth. Let's soak up the magic. Here are some affirmations for an amazing day. I am grateful for this new day and the opportunities it brings. I am well rested and excited for the day. I have everything I need to make today a success. I am fueled and guided by my spiritual connection to God. I am confident and luminous. I will lead, not follow. I will believe, not doubt. I will create, not destroy. I am a force for good. I am a leader. Everything I need is within me. I choose to view any obstacle before me as a detour in the right direction. My life is not a race or a competition. I embrace change seamlessly and rise to the new opportunity it presents. I face any challenges with grace as I am destined to overcome all opposition. I make a positive difference in the world. I choose to integrate the lessons from yesterday and trust that everything is always working out for the highest good for all. I create and honor my healthy boundaries. When I speak my needs, I receive them abundantly. I can be fearful and follow my heart anyway. I don't have to get rid of the fear, I just have to dance with it. I can control how I respond to things that are confronting. I am kind to my body. I tell the truth about who I am and what I need from others. I find deep wisdom within the mystery of life. Today, I will stay hydrated and keep my body fueled with healthy foods. Everywhere I go, I have a tribe of angels and ancestors by my side. I feel ready to take on today and make it the best day it can be. I invite in benevolent experiences. I am magnetic and I effortlessly attract abundance. I do not pretend to be anyone or anything other than who I am. I am surrounded by a strong and supportive community. I choose to radiate peace. My sensitivity is beautiful and my feelings and emotions are valid. I'm choosing to think positively and make decisions that will allow me to have the best day. If I encounter a negative or unkind person, I will send them love and move about my business. I prioritize my peace of mind and rest when I need to. I feel confident in my own skin. I have come farther than I would have ever thought possible, and I'm learning along the way. My body is beautiful and healthy. I strive for joy, not for perfection. I trust in my divine destiny. I nourish myself with kind thoughts and healthy foods. I am respected and respectful. I recognize that I can choose the path I take today. I have a mind that is open to everything and attached to nothing. I live an opulent life. I give myself permission to laugh at the silliest things. I love and honor my body and all that it does for me. I forgive myself and others and learn from my mistakes. I choose to be a beacon of light and leave people better than how I find them. I attract loving and supportive people into my life. I cherish and am cherished by my loved ones. I face any challenges with grace as I am destined to overcome all opposition. My strength is greater than any struggle. I won't worry about things that are out of my control. I am liberated through soulful expression. I am fully capable of taking on today. I take action from passion. I am worthy of love, kindness, and acceptance. I use my force for good. I believe that everything will work itself out through love. I let go of what no longer serves me. I am more than enough. I am in tune with my inner wisdom. I honor the love and light within others. Through my pure intentions, I always achieve victory. I will not stress over things I cannot control. I know how people treat me is their karma, and how I react is mine, so I choose to be cognizant of my actions and words. I am always learning, evolving, and allowing myself to become better. I bring miracles to fruition. I choose to be kind to myself and others. I extract lessons from life, and I know that everything is always working out best case scenario. I am strong and resilient. Today is going to be an amazing day. All is well and thriving, and I am so grateful to be alive today. Thank you for listening, and I hope you feel energized and ready to take on the day. The higher your energy level, the more efficient your body. The more efficient your body, the better you feel, and the more you will use your talents to produce outstanding results. Remember, whatever you hold in your mind on a consistent basis is exactly what you will experience in your life. I am here to remind you of your greatness, so please come back, listen daily whenever you need a mood boost, share with someone you love, and thank you for being a light in this world. Have a beautiful day.